Okay, today I got a 2007 Ford Edge SLE. So I'm gonna run an amplifier using a factory radio. As you can see that right there, factory radio. And I'm running the wire. Ooh, hard to see out here. Turn my camera on. Right there, I just poke it through the rubber boot right there and run the power wire on the top right there. And run it out there and coming down here, and then where I'm gonna tap my speaker wire. And since the power right here, I remove all this panel by take a flathead and pry that out. And I got the white green, I'm gonna hook it up to the red, which is positive, and then I got purple brown yellow is the negative on the black one if you have a red and black speaker wire, and then run it to the back. On the ground, I just self tap it, 2 here, 2 screw. It don't need nothing major because it's only a 1600 watt amp. Sand it really good and run it out here. I'm gonna use KISLOC 2, KISLOC 2 kicker made by Kicker. It's got a built-in remote output. So the red wire, I'm gonna hook it up to the white and gray, and then the black and red, I hook it up to the gray black and white black. And then I got the remote from the KISLOC 2, hook it up to the remote right here. I got the ground to the ground, and I also with the this kicker model, you need to hook up to the ground too. The black wire, I hook it up with the ground right here, you can see right there. And now I'm gonna hook up to the speaker. This is gonna be 2 speakers. This is a mono block class D, so it got 2 positive and 2 negative, as you can see right here. And then I will run the RCA jack from the KISLOC 2 line out converter straight to the input right here. So the speaker sound's gonna go to the input right there, not the output, the input. Output is like you hook up another amp. So I ran the wire loom and everything already. I'm gonna take a 10mm right there, loosen it up, and push that in there and tighten it back up, and then test the system.